everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I'm super excited. I finally got my BOXYCHARM Premium Box for the month of June. The month's almost done. I want to say today's June 25th and I'm just now getting my box. As always, literally this box comes in like at last. Out of all my subscription boxes, this is always the latest one to come. I really don't know what's going on with BOXYCHARM with why the boxes come so late. They charge you in the beginning of the month, but you don't get it to the last of the month. I'm not sure what's going on, but I guess what they say, is it true what they say? They say the best things for last? I guess we're gonna find out. So with that being said, if you guys want to see what I got in my box, then keep on watching. So this is what the premium box looks like. It's a bigger size than the base box because you normally get one more extra thing in your box. The base box, you get 5 items, and in a premium, you normally get 6. And this box is $35 for the premium. The base box is $25. But you get way over the value of your box. So that's why I always enjoy these type of boxes, because you really get your bang for your buck. If you guys like watching makeup subscription unboxings, makeup hauls, makeup, anything makeup related, then I would say subscribe to my channel, become a part of my YouTube family, because we do a lot of that here on my channel. I just absolutely love makeup, and I have a big passion for it. I work in the beauty industry, so I love, you know, connecting and vibing with other people who enjoy the same thing that I enjoy, which is makeup. So like, comment, subscribe, become a part of my YouTube family. Alrighty, so without further ado, let's look into this box that had me waiting all month to see what I got. Alrighty, so this is your sneak peek, and we're gonna dig in. Alrighty guys, so we did get a card this month. Sometimes we don't get a card, but we do got the card with the prices, and it tells you everything that you got. So right off the bat, I'm super excited because I wanted this palette. I got a Dominique, what is it? Is it called Dominique Cosmetics? Yes, Dominique Cosmetics palette. Let's see the palette. I love getting palettes, even though I have so many, like I can never have enough palettes. Just like I can never have too much brushes. If you saw my last video, then you know what I'm talking about. Alrighty, so this palette is beautiful. Look at this. Yes. It's called Transition Palette. So let's take a peek. Ooh, this is beautiful. On the mirror, it says keep life simple. And let me just bend the mirror over and show you guys what the palette looks like. It's like a nice neutral palette. I love the shades here. Very nice, very nice. I'm excited to try everything. So that's the first thing we got in the box. This palette retails for $48. The next thing I got here is the One Size Eye Popper Sparkle Vision Eyeshadow in the color Pea House. Ooh, very pretty. Yes. I think I want to say this was my choice. Because the palette wasn't a choice. If the palette was a choice, I definitely would have picked that. But it wasn't a choice. I chose this. So far, your girl is really happy with this palette and this Eye Popper eyeshadow. This retails for $22. Alrighty, the next thing I got is a pair of lashes. Your girl loves lashes, so she's not mad at it. My lashes normally are a little bit more dramatic than these, but these will be a cute, like, everyday lash. This is what they look like. And this is from LashaholicLashes.com. The next thing I got is a cheek and lip tint by Floss. And let's see the color here. I'm gonna give this away because this definitely, I definitely wouldn't wear color like this on my lip. And I normally don't like anything like a wet look for my cheeks because my skin is kind of oily. But I will give this away in my next giveaway, which will be coming soon. Stay tuned. I'm gonna be letting you guys know about my giveaway very soon. Probably, I want to say my next video. Yes, my next video, I'm gonna be announcing like what I'm gonna be doing for my giveaway. So stay tuned for that, guys. Next video. The next thing I got is a eye cream by Maplin. This is going away in a giveaway because, as you guys know, I give all of my skincare away because I have so much skincare and I'm over skincare. Like I said, I'm still gonna be doing showing you like the bulk of my skincare, but I just want to bring out all these boxes and stuff and get them out the way, and then next month I definitely will, I promise I will be showing you guys that, so stay tuned for that as well. Wow, that was fast. That was everything I got in my box. Was that, how many items was that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wasn't it supposed to be 6 items? I thought the base was 5 and the premium was 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, I was supposed to get 6 things. So it says I was supposed to get the palette. It says I was supposed to get the eyeshadow. It says I was supposed to get a skincare regimen serum. Okay, so that is missing. So I missed. Wow. Normally, I never think to check, but I'm missing a whole item. The it says skin regimen, which retails for $115 item, was not in my box. It wasn't in my box. The box is empty. Let's grab this box off the floor. There ain't nothing in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I gotta reach out to them. So guys, you guys gotta check your boxes because I'm missing a whole item. And the most expensive item I'm missing. How ironic that the most expensive thing they're missing. So wow, yeah, because I got everything else. I got everything else here. So I will be reaching out to BOXYCHARM. A little shocked that they just missed the whole item on my box. But rather than that, I was fairly happy. I mean, I love the palette, I love the lashes, and I love this one size eyeshadow popper. I'm gonna be giving these 2 things away because this doesn't match my skin tone, and I have like a million eye creams at this point. So I would give this box, I'm gonna give it a 4 out of 10 because they didn't even give me one of my products I was supposed to get in my box. And normally sometimes when you're missing stuff, they let you know like, oh, you're missing something, but don't worry, I'm gonna send it to you separately. I didn't even get a message, so they get a 4 out of 10 for this month. I'm so sorry, so sorry, but your girl ain't happy about that. So yeah, no bueno. Alrighty, so that's really about it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. What did you guys think about my box that I got this month? Was anybody missing their skin regimen booster? Because I did not get that in my box. So we're gonna have to reach out to BOXYCHARM so they can make that right. But can't wait to try this palette. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in my next video.